Can you get in it? Chugga, 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 chugga. Choo choo. Sit it. Get in it. Just put it down on the ground. Can you sit in it?
I had to do something.
You're in front of the television.
Okay, I just didn't think.
Get back. Get back in it. Please.
I'm really sorry.
Please. Alright, get in it. I'll push you. Get in, I'll push you. Whoa. Ready? Ooh. No. Ooh. Uh-oh. Thank you. Where's...
I can't help it if I'm faster than you.
No, that's hot. Don't touch that. Give that to Mommy. It's for later. For the candles.
Oh.
Don't touch it. That's... No. Get out. Is that Mommy's? Put that back.
Mine.
That's not yours. It's mine. You're bad.
Baba.
Bad.
Mine.
Put it back. Please. Put it back in the bag. Thank you. No. Chloe, are you a good girl? Good girl. You wanna go bye-bye? Aww. Can you give Grammy a kiss? Give Grammy a kiss. Chloe, where's your purse?
Push.
Let's go in the closet and find the purses. Look at all the purses. You like your Vera's. Bye-bye? Is that Mommy's purse?
No.
Is that Chloe's? Chloe's. Really? Whoa. Careful. Here, let me get your phone. Say, where'd your phone go? It's okay. You don't like it? Can I have it? Thank you. Go get another purse. Puss. You like that one? That one's heavy, huh? You say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you say Grammy and Papa? Papa. Can you say Grammy? All right, blow Grammy a kiss. Say I love you. All right, now say bye-byes. Wave bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Grammy.